Take few seconds to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon button so you will get all notification of our latest updates.
If you want to know how to straighten your teeth at home without braces, then we have some fantastic techniques and habits in this video that you can follow to get straight teeth. Having straight teeth not only looks beautiful, it can also help prevent teeth and jaw problems in the future. Many of the dental experts recommend a visit to the orthodontist to get braces, and an orthodontist is likely to charge a lot of money to pull existing teeth and to fit it to your mouth. But that option isn't available for everyone. That's why we've provided easy ways for you to apply these techniques and habits to straighten your teeth in the comfort of your home and keep them straight. So stay with us at the end. Let's begin. Number 1. Apply fingers pressure or dental floss to stay thin teeth. Apply gentle pressure to your teeth with fingers or dental floss to in the direction you'd like. Keep in mind to use only gentle pressure to avoid long-term problems or damage to your gums and teeth. If you are pushing too hard against teeth, so it can cause loose teeth, and that's an undesirable result you never want. Remember, your gums and palate are soft tissue. You have to care about doing home treatments to straighten teeth. Because if you do it the wrong direction, you could cause some serious long-term problems to the teeth and gums. So be careful to apply too much pressure when you're doing this. Number 2. Using your tongue to straighten your teeth. First of all, you have to know what braces work. It exerting a certain level of pressure on teeth to move them into a real position. That's why knowing straighten your teeth naturally can include using the tongue ever so gently to move them. You can place your tongue in the space along the gum line and push gently to the left or right for correction as you want. Use your tongue to push the teeth in the right direction when you're not speaking. You will get positive results over time if you're patient. It is possible to see positive results over time. It depends on the current misalignment of your teeth to achieve a difference and how much time it takes. Number 3. Use removable clear plastic aligners. If you want a quickest or more effective way to get naturally straight teeth, so you can use clear plastic aligners. This simple device is another option in your quest to identify to straighten teeth without braces. Because of this, removable dental aligners can simplify your life. Also, the clear plastic aligner never bonded to your teeth like orthodontic braces. If you're using the clear plastic aligner to move your teeth to a desirable new position, you'll need to heat the device in hot water and fit it to your mouth. Follow your dentist or orthodontist's instructions about how long to wear your aligner each day. You'll probably want to wear it 22 hours a day and when you sleep until your treatment is complete. Take the clear aligner out of your mouth at meal times. Store your aligner in a plastic case at that time when you're not wearing it. Number 4. Here are some more things that you have to remember for teeth straightening without braces. Eliminate any habits that put outward pressure on your teeth that cause crooked teeth. If you sleep on your stomach, you continuously apply gentle pressure to the side of your face and your teeth. That is caused by teeth shift out of alignment after a while if you are sleeping on your stomach. Leaning your face on your hand, chewing on pens, using straws, and blowing bubbles with gum can cause outwardly crooked teeth. Make a habit of sleeping at least on your side or your back. Avoiding these habits as early as you can to straighten teeth without braces. Number 5. Brush and floss your teeth daily. Brushing your teeth daily 2 times every day to avoid causing any dental issues. Brush and flossing your teeth twice a day to prevent gum disease and tooth decay and maintain straighter teeth for a gorgeous smile. You'll need to floss your teeth at least 1 time every day because flossing is a great way to get rid of plaque and tartar that brushing missed sometimes. Don't be in a hurry as you work to thoroughly and accurately clean your teeth. Because brushing fast or too hard can cause injury and soreness. If your teeth and gums are healthy, your teeth are more likely to stay straight for a long time. have learned how to straighten your teeth at home without braces with these simple techniques to straighten teeth naturally. I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then please press the like button below and share it with your friends. Make sure you subscribe us because we are making daily DIY related videos every single day. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.